Hi everyone, I am R. Selvakumar. I am a civil engineer as well as an ocean engineer. In this video, we are going to see about oceans and seas. Before that, please press subscribe button. Ocean and sea. An ocean is a body of saline water that composes much of our planet's hydrosphere. Sea is the salt water covering the earth or a large body of salt water which is partially enclosed by a land. Ocean makes our Earth unique in our solar system because of its enormous quantity of water. Surface area of the oceans. Oceans and seas covers approximately 140 million of the total of 200 million square miles of the Earth's surface. In kilometer squares, it is 362.6 million of the total of 517.998 million square kilometers of the Earth's surface. In percentage, ocean covers 70% of the Earth's surface. The pie chart given below shows comparison of area covered by the ocean and land in our Earth. The portion in blue color shows area covered by ocean and the portion in brown color shows area covered by the land. Percentage of biosphere of oceans. Oceans and seas contains 90% of Earth's biosphere. The pie chart given below shows comparison of biosphere of ocean and biosphere of land in our Earth. The blue color in pie chart shows biosphere in ocean and brown color in pie chart shows biosphere in land. Volume of water in the oceans and seas. The ocean contains 97% of Earth's water. The total volume is approximately 1.35 billion cubic kilometers, that is 320 million cubic miles. Ocean contains 3.5% of dissolved salts, which is equivalent to 165 million tons of salts per cubic mile. Ocean is considered as a georesource and as a single mobile ore on the surface of the Earth. The pie chart given below shows comparison of quantity of water in ocean and quantity of water in land in our Earth. The blue color in pie chart shows seawater volume and the brown color in pie chart shows freshwater volume. Depth of seawater. An average depth of seawater is 3,688 meters. The maximum depth is 10,994 meters at the Mariana Trench. The figure in the right side shows the location of Mariana Trench. Name of oceans and some details. There are 5 major oceans in the world. First one is Pacific Ocean, second Atlantic Ocean, third Indian Ocean, fourth Southern or Antarctic Ocean, fifth Arctic Ocean. Pacific Ocean covers 30.5% of Earth's surface area. Atlantic Ocean covers 20.8% of Earth's surface area. Indian Ocean covers 14.4% of Earth's surface area. Southern or Antarctic Ocean covers 4% of Earth's surface area. Arctic Ocean covers 2.8% of Earth's surface area. The average depth of Pacific Ocean is 3,970 meters and the average depth of Atlantic Ocean is 3,646 meters and the average depth of Indian Ocean is 3,741 meters and the average depth of Southern or Antarctic Ocean is 3,270 meters and for Arctic Ocean the average depth is 1,205 meters. The coastal length of Pacific Ocean is 1,35,663 meter, and for Atlantic Ocean the coastline length is 1,11,866 meter, and for Indian Ocean the coastline length is 66,526 meter, and for Southern or Antarctic Ocean the coastline length is 17,968 meter, and for Arctic Ocean the coastline length is 45,389 meter. Importance of oceans and seas. The importance of oceans and seas are staggering. Ocean overwhelmingly influence nearly all the surface process of the earth. Ocean influences world's climate. Ocean influences are present in the following processes. Water cycle. Oceans regulate the water cycle. The water cycle is also known as hydrological cycle. Water cycle involves continuous circulation of water in the Earth atmosphere system. Various types of processes are involved in the water cycle. The most important are evaporation, transpiration, condensation, precipitation and runoff. The total amount of water within the cycle remains essentially constant. Water distribution among the various processes is continuously changing. Let us see briefly what is evaporation, transpiration, condensation, precipitation and runoff. Evaporation. It is the process in the cycle. By evaporation, water in the liquid state is transferred to the gaseous or vapor state. The main factor affecting evaporation are temperature, humidity, wind and solar radiation. What is transpiration? Transpiration is the evaporation of water through minute pores or stomata in the leaves of plants. For practical purposes, transpiration and evaporation from all water, soils, snow, ice, vegetation and other surfaces are grouped together and called evapotranspiration or total evaporation. Condensation. The transition process from the vapor state to the liquid state is called condensation. Condensation may take place when the air contains more water vapor than it can receive from the free water surface through evaporation at the prevailing temperature. This condition occurs as the consequence of either cooling or the mixing of air masses of different temperatures. What is precipitation? Precipitation is water released from clouds in the form of rain, freezing rain, sleet, snow or hail. What is runoff? When the rain falls onto the earth, it just does not rest there, it starts moving. The movement of water from one place to another place is called runoff. Carbon cycle. The carbon cycle, that is flow of carbon dioxide gas in the environment, is the biogeochemical cycle by which carbon is exchanged among the biosphere, pedosphere, geosphere, hydrosphere and atmosphere of Earth. Ocean supports life. Ocean supports life in the earth and guaranteed its dynamic growth over hundreds of millions of years of evolution, therefore enabling life to exist today in countless forms, shapes and sizes ranging from microorganisms to whales. World ocean is the habitat of 230,000 known species. Much of it's unexplored. The number of species that exist in the ocean is much larger, possibly over 2 million. Ocean regulates following geological processes. Weathering. Weathering is the breaking down of materials like rocks, soils, and minerals, as well as wood and artificial materials through contact with the Earth's atmosphere, water, biological organisms. Weathering can be classified as physical weathering, chemical weathering, and biological weathering. Erosion. Erosion is the action of surface processes that removes soil, rock, or dissolved materials from one location on the Earth's crust and that transport it to another location. The erosion may be due to flow of water and wind blow. Sedimentation. Ocean provides a sink for billions of tons of sediment carried by world's rivers. Due to sedimentation in the ocean, sandstone is formed from land-derived sediment materials and limestone from the bodies of marine organisms. These rocks hold much of the world's petroleum. Useful minerals from ocean and sea. Marine rocks and sediments have extensive amount of following useful materials: iron ore, manganese, sulfur, phosphate, salt rock, and manganese nodules. Energy. Ocean offers important energy sources. Deuterium, that means heavy hydrogen, it is used for nuclear fusion energy. Ocean can give energy from volcanoes and mid-oceanic ridges. Heat flow from ocean floor will be used to create the energy. Energy can be obtained from the sea waves, currents, and tides. The figures shows the different way of getting energy from the ocean. Food and water. Desalination of water will solve water requirements in many parts of the world. The desalination is the process removing salt from water. Desalinated water can be used for agriculture in the arid and semi-arid regions. Sea floors are relatively more enriched in organic matters. This assures a natural and abundant supply of fertilizers, so marine farming has been an alternative enterprise in sea-bounded lands. Oceans and seas contain billions of tons of fishes and other related protein-rich seafoods, which can solve world's food shortage in great extent. Transportation. Ocean facilitates cheapest means of bulk transportation of the world's goods. Ocean-going vessels can transport a ton of commodity for low price, but shipping by rail or by air costs much more. Ocean shipping still is the main source of linkage of people of our world. The figures below shows cruise ship, container ship, and LNG carrier ship. Oceans and seas provides many more useful things for human beings and other lives. So please love our ocean and seas. Thanks for watching. Do not forget to subscribe, share and like.